In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Proton Mail account. Now, whether you're looking to declutter your digital life or switch to a different email provider, deleting a Proton Mail account is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in mail.proton.me into the address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your username and password. You'll be greeted by your inbox, where you can see all your existing emails. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon that resembles a gear. This is your settings toggle. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the settings page, look for the option labeled Account and Password. Clicking this will bring you to a section specifically for managing your account details. Here, you might be tempted to explore the different security features or update your password, but stay focused. Our goal is to delete the account. Within the Account and Password section, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete your account. This is the crucial step where you need to be absolutely certain that you want to proceed. Deleting your account is permanent, and you will lose access to your emails, contacts, and any data associated with your Proton Mail account. So take a moment to download any important information or notify your contacts of your impending absence. Once you click Delete your account, you may be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. This is to ensure that it's really you who is making this significant change. Enter your password and follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the deletion process. And just like that, your Proton Mail account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this is a final decision, so make sure you've backed up any vital data before you proceed. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a little less daunting. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Goodbye for now.